heads will roll. That promise from President Bongbong Marcos as Philippine authorities failed to detect Alice Guo's departure from the country. This is also what senators expected from the chief executive.
Dapat lamang dahil nakaka-frustrate naman talaga na nakatakas, nakaalpa si Mayor Guo.
Dapat lang marinig natin yan sa chief executive kung may mga executive agencies na nagpabaya o worse, kung kasabwat dito sa pagpapatakas o pagtakas kay Mayor Alice Guo o Guo Huaping, dapat lang may managot. That's the principle of transparency and accountability.
The former Bamban mayor is wanted by the Senate for refusing to appear in the hearings on illegal Philippine offshore gaming operations or POGOs. The raid in Bamban triggered investigations on POGOs, eventually leading to the president himself announcing a POGO ban. The global police organization Interpol may also soon help in the search for Guo. Senator Risa Ontiveros says the Foreign Affairs Department reported to Interpol the Philippine passports of Guo, her siblings Wesley and Sheila, and Cassandra Ong, who is a representative of the POGO Interlock. But that's not the DFA's only move to find Guo.
Ang DFA OCA, yung isang opisina nila, Office of Consular Affairs, ay gumawa ng isang precautionary measure na isama sina Mayor Alice Guo at kanyang pamilya sa passports watchlist database. Ito'y upang mapigilan yung pag-issue ng bagong passport kay Mayor Alice Guo o Guo Huaping at sa kanyang mga family members.
Ontiveros adds she has information that Guo is now in Indonesia, but they are still looking into the possibility Guo has been coming in and out of the Philippines. The Senate is also studying whether Immigration Commissioner Norman Tansinko and other officials of the agency should resign.
Klaro tingin ko na imposibleng nakaalis siya, nakatakas siya, na walang ni isang tumulong sa kanya na dapat sa halip ay pinigilan yung pag-alis niya. Or at the very least, dahil nasa ILBO na siya noon, Immigration Lookout Bulletin Order, na nag-inform sa ating mga law enforcement authorities na siya ay paalis. Kasi bakit walang official record ng kanyang pag-alis?
Meanwhile, Senate President Cheese Escudero says he has discussed with Senator Win Gatchalian a possible perjury case against Guo.
Na-refer na namin sa Senate Legal para naman airtight yung kaso. Hindi yung madidismiss. Wala na nga dito, madidismissan pa kami ng kaso, nakakaya naman. Ayusin na namin ng tama, hindi namin na madaliin to.
Agatha Gregorio, Bilyonaryo News Channel.